Here I have XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enter test mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your phone application, then open the keypad on it and enter the secret codes here, which is *pound 64663 pound *, and after that you will enter the testing mode. So here you can test different features of your device, like version information, light sensor, proximity sensor, like gyroscope, touch panel edge, LCM, keypad and vibrate, like camera, speaker, headset, all of these features. Like let's, for example, test like touch panel edge. So this is what you have to do here, and also this. This is like the LED colors testing. You can test like lights. Something like that. And you can also test other features from this list, or just start the additional test. You can view the history results here too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.